Let us understand the process of Python installation in Windows. We will first go ahead with the official Python IDE. The term IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. First, open the internet browser and search Python. The first link is the official site for Python. Click on this link and it will take you to the python.org homepage. Now click on this download option and here we got the download button. As you can see here, this is the latest version of Python 3.11.3, and if you scroll down a little you will get the same here. However, you will also find older versions of Python here. But we will go ahead with the latest version. Now click on this download button and it will take you to the download page. Now scroll down to the bottom and in the file section you will get installation links for multiple platforms. Now let me check my system's architecture. And here you can see I have 64-bit OS. So let's return back. And here I will go ahead with this 64-bit Windows installer. After completing the download, click on this installation file to start the Python installation. Next, activate this checkmark to add Python to your system's path. And then proceed ahead with the Install Now option. After completing the installation, close this window. Now click on the Windows Start button and search Python. It will display the results of our installed Python. Here, let us click on this idle Python 3.11 option and it will open this Python integrated console. You can find your version at the top here. Now let us test a simple Python code. Just type this print hello world code and press enter to execute it. And yes, we got the desired output. Now let us use the editor to write Python code. Just click on the file option, then new file, and finally it will open a blank editor. Next, write these 2 lines of code and then save it with any name. Thereafter, click on this run command from here to execute this Python file. Oh sorry, this print should be small. Go to the editor and make it a small p. Great. Now save it and then execute it. And finally, it got executed successfully. You can see these outputs here. So finally, we have completed the Python installation.